Now I am going to explain problems related to yesterday's concept, that is your standard locate. See, first one, please all of you see the class notes while I am reading the problem. If mod z equal to root 2, then locus of 3 plus 4z. Okay. Locus of 3 plus 4z is required. So we have to assume this one equal to x plus I1. Like p, locus of p means px comma y means x plus I1. And first, if z equal to h plus ik, mod z equal to root 2 means root of h square plus k square equal to root 2. So h square plus k square equal to 2. This is locus condition. So in any locus problem there are two things. We have to assume required locus point is x plus iy, and by using condition locus direct or indirect condition we can find the locus of z. So here 3 plus 4 into z means h plus ik equal to x plus iy. So by equating real and imaginary parts, 3 plus 4h equal to x and 4k equal to y. So given locus condition, h square plus k square equal to h. From this h value x minus 3 by 4. From this k value y by 4 equal to 2. So by simplifying get the locus, the name of that locus is circle with the center 3 comma 0, because that is we can convert this one into the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So in some cases optional equation of the locus, or in some cases name of the locus means locus of this one is options circle, parabola, straight line, ellipse, like that. So answer circle. Next, second one, modulus of z plus 1 minus I equal to modulus of z plus I minus 1 represents dash. So clearly this is in the form of modulus of z minus z1 equal to modulus of z minus z2. In that case, locus of z is the perpendicular bisector of line segment joining z1 comma z2. So optional C is name of the locus. So clearly line segment means straight line. So first one, where z1 is minus 1 plus I, z2 is 1 minus I. See third one. Third one, if omega equal to z by z minus 1 by 3 I and mod omega equal to 1, then locus of z is. So we can find, given that mod omega equal to 1, so taking modulus on both sides, mod omega value 1 by cross multiplication, mod z equal to modulus of z minus 1 by 3i. Again this is in the form of modulus of z minus z1 equal to z minus z2, therefore locus of z is a line segment joining, perpendicular bisector of line segment joining origin 0 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1 by 3. So in this problem options same, name of the locus, so straight line answer. Fourth one, see fourth one is in the form of modulus of z minus z1 equal to modulus of z minus z2, where z1 comma z2 are 1 by 2 comma 0 minus 1 by 2 comma 0, z1 comma z2 are 0 comma 1 by 2, 0 comma minus 1 by 2, they lie on positive locus of z is x-axis. Means here real axis. See fifth one important and easy. See modulus of z plus z bar plus modulus of z minus z bar equal to 2. Then locus of z is, so two problems. What is the locus of z2 and what is the area of the locus of z2? There two problems. Same. Locus of z is required. So we have to assume z equal to x plus iy. If z is x plus iy, z bar is x minus iy. So x plus iy plus x minus iy is 2x. Similarly, x plus iy minus of x minus iy is 2iy equal to 2. On both sides 2 cancel. Mod x plus mod I value 1. So mod y equal to 1. So all of you know mod x plus mod y equal to a represents square plus plus case minus case minus case plus minus case. Clearly this is 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. So locus of z square. What is the area of the locus of z? So clearly area of this triangle is of 1 into 1. Then locus of square into 4. 4 equal times. So area of the one is 2 square units. Next. Say sixth one. Amplitude of z plus 2 by z minus 4i equal to 5 by 2. Then locus of z. Here options contain an equation, not name of the locus. Clearly, what is the name of the locus? This is in the form of argument of amplitude means argument. Argument of z minus z1 by z minus z2 equal to theta. The locus of z is a circle, arc of the circle. Particularly the angle is theta. The locus of z is a complete circle with ends of the diameter minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. But here required is clearly equation of the circle. Option contain equation, not name of the locus. Same as usual, required is locus of z without issue that one as x plus iy. Okay? Right? Amplitude means argument. Argument of z is x plus iy. So separate real and imaginary part. Z is x plus iy. Now I am rationalize the denominator. Multiply and dividing into x minus I y minus 4 equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Argument of z equal to 90 degrees. Argument of z is 90 degrees means what about z? What about z? That point must and should lies on positive y-axis. Positive y-axis. What are the conditions of point on positive y-axis? X coordinate 0 and y coordinate is positive. So, if z is x plus iy, argument of x plus iy equal to 5 by 2 means that point lies on positive y-axis when real part x equal to 0 and imaginary part to y must and should greater than 0. If argument of z is minus 5 by 2, in that case that point lies on negative y-axis. In that case x is 0 but y negative. Okay, see the difference. Now what are the conditions of this one? In this complex number, real part equal to 0. Okay, and imaginary part is greater than 0. What is the real part? Real part obtained by multiply real and imaginary and imaginary. Therefore, x into x plus 2. So, two conditions. What are the conditions? Real part equal to 0. Imaginary part is greater than 0. So, real part x plus 2 into x. I square value minus 1. Already there is minus of minus plus y into y minus 4 equal to 0. And imaginary part to positive. Imaginary part obtained by multiply real and imaginary, imaginary and real. So x plus 2 into y minus 4 minus xy is greater than 0. So by simplify and see the options. Don't forget to the argument of the complex number is 5 by 2 means not only a real part is 0, must and should apply second condition, imaginary part is positive. Next, seventh one. If z equal to 1 minus t plus I into root of t square plus t plus 2, where t is a parameter, then locus of z. So given that t is a parameter means that the locus condition is finally we have to eliminate to t. Locus of z is required. So replace z with x plus I equal to 1 minus t plus I into root of t square plus t plus 2. By equating real and imaginary parts on both sides, get two equations. X equal to 1 minus t and y equal to root of that one, y square equal to t square plus t plus 2. Now we have eliminated t. Clearly from this what is t? 1 minus x. Now replace t with 1 minus x and simplify, get locus. That is required. Okay. Next, eighth one. Modulus of z minus 4i plus modulus of z plus 4i equal to 10. Then locus of z. This is in the form of PA plus PB. See, PA plus PB equal to some constant 10. Where what is A? Point A is 0, 4. Okay. Point B is 0, minus 4. What is AB? 8. What is PA plus PB? 10. And then from condition PA plus PB greater than AB. So PA plus PB greater than AB, then locus of P is 8. So whose foci? 0, 4 and 0, minus 4 means vertical. A less than B gives. Ellipse. Already ellipse one. So 0, 4, 0, minus 4. So compare this one with SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. Equation of ellipse formula. X squared by A squared plus Y squared by B squared equal to 1. Okay. Clearly, by compare this one with SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. The value of 2A is 10. A equal to 5. Okay. What are actual formula for foci? 0, plus or minus A. So by compare A equal to 4. Therefore E equal to 4 by 5. From these two we can find the value of B. Relation among A, B and E when A less than B. When A less than B, relation among A, E and B is A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. So A square value 25, B square required 1 minus E square value 16 by 25. So by using this one, we can find the value of b, and by substitute the values of a comma b in this standard equation of ellipse to get liquid. Okay. Oh, here liquid is only name of the locus. Name of the locus is over. That is clearly ellipse because PA plus PB greater than AB. Next similar one, ninth one. Modulus of z minus I plus modulus of z plus I less than or equal to 4, then locus of z. Same, this is PA. By compare this one with PA plus PB, point A is 0, 1, point B is 0, minus 1, then clearly AB equal to 2. But what is PA plus PB? PA plus PB value, suppose E equal this number. PA plus PB equal to 4, but AB value 2. So clearly PA plus PB greater than AB means locus of P is an ellipse. But given that not to PA plus PB equal to 4, less than or equal to 4. Equal to 4 means that one represents points on the ellipse. Okay. Less than 4 means that one represents a point inside the ellipse. Inside the ellipse. So finally locus of z represents elliptical curve and inside the points on the ellipse. Interior or eyes on the ellipse. Next. 10th one. Modulus of z plus I minus z minus I equal to k represents hyperbola, then k belongs to. So the concept related to this one, modulus of PA minus PB less than AB. Modulus of PA minus PB less than AB. Then locus of P is hyperbola. So PA minus PB value k. Mod k. PA minus PB value k. Less than AB. AB. Clearly by compare the given one with PA minus PB. Point A 0, minus 1. Point B 0, 1. AB. Distance between the 2 points is clearly 2. So k less than 2 means k belongs to minus infinity, 2. Thus problems on both sides. Condition implies name of the locus. Locus implies find the range of unknown values. Now, next problem. If modulus of z minus z1 whole square plus z minus z2 whole square equal to k represents circle where z1 equal to 2 plus 3i, z2 equal to 4 plus 3i are the ends of the diameter, then k. So formula related to this one, PA square plus PB square equal to AB square, then locus of P is a circle with A comma B, whose A comma B are ends of the diameter of the circle. So clearly given that A ends of the diameter of the circle are 2, 3, 4, 3. Now required is k. By comparing given one with this one, k equal to AB square. So required is clearly square of the distance between the 2 points means 4 minus 2 whole square means 4 answer. Next, 13th one. 13th one. If modulus of z minus z1 by z minus z2 equal to 3, then locus of z is a circle. Then position of z1 comma z2 with respect to the circle. Just to PA by BB equal to K greater than 1, 3 greater than 1. PA by PB equal to 3 greater than 1 means PA greater than PB. Then locus of P, circle element project చూపించండి కావాలి. PA big one, PB small one. PA B. Internal bisector of P, external bisector of P, angle between them always 90. X, Y. XY sometimes right angle at P means locus of P is a circle with whose X and Y are ends of the diameter of the circle means from the figure clearly A outside the circle, B inside the circle means Z1 outside the circle, Z2 inside the circle also. Next, 14. Z1 equal to 5 minus 2i, Z2 equal to 1 plus I, and modulus of Z minus Z1 equal to 2 into modulus of Z minus Z2. Then maximum area of the triangle PAB. Okay. So clearly from this one, modulus of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 equal to 2 means PA by PB equal to K greater than 1 case. Now required is area of the triangle PAB. So this is P, this is A, this is B. First I am drawing locus related to this given condition. PA greater than PB twice PAB. Internal bisector of P, external bisector of P, angle between them 90. So locus of P is a circle whose X and Y are ends of the diameter of the circle. Now what is required? Required is maximum area. Maximum area of the triangle PAB. Area of the triangle formula of base into height. Clear that base AB and fixed. Base AB constant. Now what about the height? Height depends on the position of P. So P lie on the circle. P means start out. P may be lie on the circle here or here or here and so on. But maximum area of the triangle means of base into height is maximum, of constant base is also constant is maximum when height is maximum. ఎప్పుడు హైయెస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో ఉంటుంది P ఈక్వల్ టు హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్ టు రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్. ఈ హైట్ ఉంది కదా ట్రయాంగిల్ లో బేస్ ఎప్పుడు హైట్ ఎప్పుడు మాక్సిమం ఉంటుందంటే పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ P ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఇక్కడ అంటే ఏంటి h ఈక్వల్ టు r. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ బేస్ ఇంటూ హైట్ లో h is r is of base into height. Base into height. Base constant AB. We can find distance between the 2 points A and B. Now we need the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is half of xy. And we have to find the values of x and y. Clearly x divides. See, this is internal bisector. One of the properties of internal angle bisectors. P divides AB bar in the ratio CH to CB. Okay. Therefore, x divides AB bar bar in the ratio PH to PB. What is PH to PB? Is 2:1. So by using that one we can find x. Similarly, y divides AB bar in the same ratio 2:1 but in externally. Therefore we can find y by using external formula. Thus we have x and y. So distance between the 2 points is the diameter of the circle. Half of that one is radius of the circle. Thus by substitute in the place of BC AB and in the place of height radius of the circle and simplify get maximum area of the triangle. So x and y clear గా కనుక్కొని రేడియస్ కనుక్కున్నాను నోట్స్ లో చూసుకోండి. Next 15th one. Number of points of intersection of modulus of z minus 8i minus 4 equal to root 10 and modulus of z minus 3 minus 5i plus modulus of z minus 5 minus 11i equal to 4 root 5. Advanced related problem. So required is number of points of intersection of two curves. Clearly first one is in the form of modulus of z minus z1 equal to some constant means this one represents circle with the center 4,8 and radius root 10. And this is in the form of PA plus PB equal to K. By compare with PA plus PB equal to K, point A is 3,5, point B is 5,11. Now distance between the 2 points 5 minus 3, 11 minus 5. Therefore root 20. But PA plus PB value root 20 means 2 root 5. But PA plus PB value 4 root 5. Clearly 4 root 5 greater than 2 root 5 means PA plus PB greater than AB. Therefore locus of P is ellipse whose foci 3,5 and 5,11. Now required is number of points of intersection of this circle and that ellipse that can obtain by drawing by sketch the both curves y-axis, x-axis. So center 4,8, 4 units, 8 units here. Center of the circle and radius of the circle. This is 4, this is 8. And ellipse whose foci 3,5, 3, 5 across the next 5,11, 5, 11. So clearly ellipse 3,5, 5,11, center of the circle 4,8. Okay, and by compare this one with SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. The value of 2A is 4 root 5. The value of A is 2 root 5. And distance between the foci. Distance between the foci is always equal to 2AE. 2AE equal to 2 root 5. A value, so therefore E equal to root 5 by 2 root 5 means 1 by 2. Okay. Now we can find B by using A and E. B square equal to A square into 1 minus c square. A square value 20. 1 minus c square value 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 into root 20 means 5, 15. B square value 15. Sketch. Radius of the circle, E value, E square value, 2a equal to 4 root 5, a equal to 2 root 5, distance between the 4 2 root 5, 2 cancel, E equal to root 5 by 2 root 5. A value 2 root 5, 2a equal to root 40. Distance between the foci, points 3, 5, 5, 11. 5 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 5, 36. Sorry, 36 which is this is 36 means 40. Root 40. Root 40 means 2 root 10. Therefore, this is 2 root 10. Therefore, root 10 by 2 root 5. Root 5 is root 2 is therefore 1 by root 2. E value 1 by root 2. Therefore, here 1 by 2. Therefore, b square value 1 by 2. B square value 10. B value root 10. B value root 10. See that B value is radius of the circle. Nothing done possible. B and I have the distance. This is B root 10. That is also radius of the circle. So position of the circle in this ellipse. So clearly number of points of intersection of given ellipse and circle is only 2 points. So they are nothing but ends of the minor axis of ellipse because touches inside. Circle inside touches ellipse from inside. Okay. See next 16th one. Area of the region bounded by 5 by 6 less than argument of z less than 2 pi by 3 and 3 less than mod z less than 5. Area of the region bounded by. Clear? From second, mod z equal to 3 means circle with center and radius 3 units. Mod z equal to 5 means circle with center, origin and radius 5 units. So clearly they are concentric circles. So mod z lies between 3 and 5 means area of the triangle, area of the region bounded by these two circles means this part. So up to this area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. And also given there are two arcs. Argument of z equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 means 30 degrees. 120. So area of the region bounded by this one and the angles. Okay. Clearly difference of these two is 90 degrees. This is 120 minus 30, 90. The angle amount is 90. So this total is 360. 90 means 1/4 of 360 degrees. Therefore, required area is first area between these two circles is area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. This part. but required is only this one. That is 90, total 360, but this is 90 means required area is 1/4 of this one. 90, 90, 90, 90. So required is 1/4 into pi r square minus pi small r square. Where capital R is 5, small r is 3. By substitute and simplify, get required. Next, 17th one. If Z lies on the circle, if Z lies on the circle, modulus of Z minus 2y equal to 2 root 2, then argument of Z minus 2 by Z plus 2. Okay. First, clearly, this one represents the circle with the center 2i means 0, 2 and radius 2 root 2. See, y-axis, x-axis, center 0, 2 and equals to radius 2 root 2. This is 0. This is center of the circle. Wait. This is center of the circle 0, 2 and radius of the circle is 2 root 2. So clearly points on x-axis at the distance of 2 root 2 from 0, 2 is 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. Check this one. Clearly distance between the 2 points. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Distance between the 2 points is also root 8. Radius. So they must and should lies on the circle. Now what is required? Required is argument of Z minus 2 by Z plus 2. In the numerator and denominator Z common. So that means the required is the angle subtended by the line segment joining 2, 0 and minus 2, 0 at Z. At Z. Clearly, what about Z? Z lies on the circle. So clearly, this angle is, slope of this one is 2 minus 0 by 0 minus 2 means minus 1. Slope of this one is plus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, product of the slopes is minus 1 means this angle is 90. So chord subtends theta at a center. Then at any point on the circle is half of this angle. 90 half is 45 degrees. So answer is 45. See, chord subtends theta at the center of the circle. Then the same chord subtends at any point of the circle is half of this one. Means theta by 2. Okay, that is. So మొత్తం sketch. దీనికి స్కెచ్ చేసాం, దీనికి స్కెచ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 90 ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది స్లోప్స్ -1 90. therefore z is any point on the circle. East west is not this one. Always ఏమవుతుందంటే 40 half of the 90 degrees. That is next 18. If mod z equal to 2 and z1 minus z3 by z2 minus z3 equal to z minus 2 by z plus 2, then z1 comma z2 comma z3 are vertices on triangle dash. Okay. Mod z equal to 2 represents circle with center, origin and radius 2. Means this point is 2 comma 0, this is 0 comma 0, this is minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Now and also given that these two are equal by apply argument on both sides. Argument of LHS equal to argument of RHS. Clearly, what is argument of RHS? In these two, z common. 2 minus 2. So clearly, RHS is angle made by the line segment joining z1 comma 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 at z. Z equal to the circle మీద ఉంటుంది అంటే ఈ angle made by the line segment joining 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 at z means line on the circle is always 90. So RHS is clearly 90 degrees. So LHS is also 90 degrees. What is the meaning of LHS? Numerator and denominator z3 common. Therefore, this 90 is angle subtended by the line segment joining z1 comma z2 at z3. That is 90. One of the angles is 90 means the triangle is clearly right angle triangle. Next, see passage. Passage 1. If modulus of z minus 1 minus 2y less than or equal to 1, then first one, center of the locus of that circle clearly because this is in the form of z minus z1 equal to some constant represents a circle with the center 1 comma 2 and radius 1. What is the center of the circle? Clearly 1 comma 2. What is radius of the circle? Clearly 1. Next thing. Z having, what is the complex number? Z having least amplitude means least altitude. And what is the Z having greatest amplitude? Okay, these two are important. Very, very important. First, see the diagram related to this one. Center of the circle is 1 comma 2. 1 units, 2 units. Radius is 1. Radius is 1 means that circle touches y-axis. Radius 1. So circle touches y-axis. And here not equal to 1, less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means locus of that is a circle disc. Lie on the circle points and inside the points. Now, first question, center clearly 1 comma 2. Now required is the complex number z having least argument. Z ఏమవుతుంది సర్కిల్ మీద పాయింట్స్ అండ్ ఇన్సైడ్ పాయింట్స్ మొత్తం వస్తాయి ఓకేనా ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ అలా ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ దిస్ వన్ having this point has a least argument this point has a maximum argument వీటన్నిటి ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ లీడ్స్ టు మాక్సిమం కి మధ్య అంతే కదా ఈ యాంగిల్ కంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కువ ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఈ యాంగిల్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ హైయెస్ట్ సో లీస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఇవన్నీ జెడ్ జెడ్ అంటే మొత్తం జెడ్ 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 బికాజ్ సర్క్యులర్ డిస్క్ నాట్ సర్కిల్ ఓకేనా రిక్వైర్డ్ ఈస్ ది కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ జెడ్ హ్యావింగ్ లీస్ట్ ఆంప్లిట్యూడ్ అంటే సో వెన్ z ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు లీస్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మాక్సిమం ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ది కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ హ్యావింగ్ లీస్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ మీన్స్ we have to find this point of contact. What is the complex number that having maximum argument means we have to find this point clearly, that is 0, 2 lies on positive y-axis. See again. Required finally. Center 1 radius 2 touches y-axis. Now required is the complex number z having least amplitude. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ ఈ పొజిషన్ లో z has least argument. ఓకేనా? రైట్. See, this is tangent, this is normal. Radius of the circle 1. Clearly this distance is root 5. So 1 root 5 కాబట్టి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే 2. ఏం చేస్తాము? We have to apply. We can find this one by using symmetric equation. X equal to, see, a point is at a distance of r units from A. Formula for that point x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. R value 2. So here we need this angle. First angle 90. Root 5. If suppose this is angle theta, from this right angle triangle opposite to, so tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now this angle is theta. This is also theta. Now tan 2 theta. By using formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 cancel. 1 by 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. Now we need this angle actually. So the total is 90. So alpha equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Therefore tan alpha equal to tan of pi by 2 minus 2 theta means cot 2 theta. Cot 2 theta is 3 by 4. Okay, 3, 4 means 5. Therefore, this point, now this is at a distance of 2 units from origin in the direction having inclination 3 by 4, tan alpha 3 by 4. Formula for that x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. X1, y1 is 0, 0, r value to theta satisfies tan alpha equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, x1 plus r into cos alpha means 4 by 5, y1 plus r means 3 by 5, r means 2, sin alpha 3 by 5. Therefore, 8 by 5, 6 by 5. This point is. What is the complex number having maximum argument means? Clearly that point is 0, 2. See next problem 20. If 0 less than or equal to argument of z less than or equal to pi by 4, then least value of root 2 into modulus of z minus psi. Okay. Root 2 okay, constant. Modulus of z minus psi means distance between the points z, 0, 1. 0, 1 also fixed point. What about z? Z satisfies this one. First, what is the locus of z when argument of z lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees? Argument of z equal to 0 means positive axis. Okay. Argument of z equal to pi by 4 means this one. The pi by 4 and the line about y equal x passing through horizon pi by 4 and the angle 45 degrees. So what about z? Z lies inside this region. You have to z. Now what is required? The least distance from z to the point 0, 1. Okay. So clearly distance between 0, the least distance from 0, 1 to the set of infinite number of points and that equal nearest from y equal x so least distance from 0, 1 to the set of that points is nothing but the least distance from 0, 1 to the line x minus y equal to 0. Distance from point 2 to the line formula use cheste modulus of minus 1 by root 2. Therefore 1 by root 2. So required 1 by root 2 into root 2 is 1 also. See, last one. If Z1 lies on the circle, if Z1 lies on the circle, mod Z equal to 3 and x plus iy equal to Z1 plus 1 by Z1 such that x square by 100 plus y square by 64 equal to 1 by k, then k equal. Clearly concept related to this one, mod z equal to r, then locus of z plus 1 by z is an ellipse whose equation x square by r plus 1 by r whole square plus y square by r minus 1 by r whole square equal to 1. But here equation of ellipse is also given with some unknown value k. So by compare that one with this one, get the value of required value k. Here z1 lies on the circle means indirectly z1 satisfies that one means mod z1 equal to 3 and r in the place of r there is 3. Therefore from this formula x square by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square, 3 plus 1 by 3, 10 by 3 whole square, so 100 by 9 plus 3 minus 1 by 3, so 64 by 9 equal to 1. So ఈ 9 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, మన ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, so 1 by 9. So by compare this one and given one, clearly the value of k is 9. Okay. So these are problems related to standard locus completed. Tomorrow we will discuss next concept. So రేపు half an hour లో first half an hour లో service అయిపోతుంది మీకు. Next I will start new lesson, that is binomial theory. Okay.